Yeah. Let's go on a plane now. Boat run away, fly through the sky and cut like a razor. You full of vibe, girl, you got the waiver. You full of vibe, girl, you got the. Hey, yeah, me see the animal in your eye. No say you're wild and dangerous. Them kind of feelings staying up. Hey, yeah, pretty little painting. Body so nice, so tempting. Can't trick her with money cause she have it plenty. She just want the loving, come man kinda. She just want the loving, but man kinda afraid her. Loving you is danger. Don't wanna fall and scrape up. If this is the truth, then I'm telling the truth on my life that I don't wanna wake up. Knock knock, but I don't wanna wake up. Knock knock, yeah me know. Y'all see we on the street and talk, so we neat and we full of peer style, no joke. Yeah, the name at two. We not soft and we have clocks. Air Force and Air Max too. Me love it game, so me ever have a banger. Just make a true me call, say me name and Joe. Your wife for me miss, yalla. That dollar sign for the papers though. Yeah, link up, VX sign, you see that I drink up. Cologne it a kick, yalla red.
Hey, give it up for Marquies! What do you think about the artist? Make some nice to the artist, man. Talent show, the singer them are going good enough. Hey, DJ, they better go hard. The singer them sound excited. What you mean? Me I tell you, hey, Station. What you think about Marquies? Trust me.
Yeah, man, I like it, you know. You skip here and there, but me I tell you, say, yeah, I want you to chop and chip up in a kaya guan, you know. Yeah, right, they say there, but you know, you can work on it a little more, but you don't know. I like the vibe.
All right, so thank you for that, carry on. You know what I mean? Station. Sorry, my apology. Yes, Lady Tash.
Marquies, right?
Marquies.
I prefer you with the other flow. You're trying a new flow, but I prefer you with the other flow. But this craft can work for you, you know, but it needs some more, you know, working on. You understand? Overall, it was a good performance. You tried.
All right, thank you for that. Keisha, Las Vegas. Hey, make a comment on the artist now.
I think you are moving in the right direction to expand yourself and your talent and your skill, but you have to be careful where that is concerned, because if you go in the elements that you're not familiar with, you need to get guidance. And I think it had potential, but I will give you a 6 for your effort. I think you can do much better. I've heard you, you know, in a better place. So I'll give you a 6. All right, let me find that 6.
All right. Marquies, big up. Yeah, I don't go. You're going good. See you later, boss. Hey, just take the words
I'll
of
find
advice.
my 6 and
all
Nero
right?
can comment.
All right, 6.
All right, so for me, you know, I like the song itself. You get me? I say, I like the fact that I get more comfortable on the stage and thing. You know what I mean? For me, I'll give him an 8. You know what I mean? Because I don't know how good you are and see him back. I know him potential, I know him capable of. So
all right, remember to write down all the scores. So Keisha Las Vegas give you a 6. Nero Malisha give you a 8. Lady Tash give you a 5. Station give you a 7. Ara General give you a 7. All right? So now make sure to write down all the scores. Please and thanks. All right? So big up yourself, boss. Hopefully to see you in the next round. 100% talent. Love you know. Jamaica, we love them.